Hi, back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to paint a ladybug. So first you have your white paint and you create a small circle. Make sure to let it dry. Then you're going to add red to get the ladybug looking more brighter, because we had green there before, so the white would use like a background to help the red pop on the leaf. So now I'm adding the red, and before we move to the next step, after adding the red, you have to make sure that the color is completely dry. Acrylic paint doesn't take long. However, if you want to speed up the process, you can use a blow dryer, which you'll see shortly. I'm going to use to make it dry a little bit faster so I can add the black. So making the ladybug, on this leaf use only 3 colors. Of course I'm using acrylic paint, so the 3 colors are white, red and black. Now I'm going to use my small brush to add the details. I'm putting in the dots on the ladybug. I'm also going to put the little legs and the eyes and the antlers on it as well. So I'm making those things to make it more detailed. So as you can see, the ladybug is looking like one right now. So it's pretty simple. It's nothing hard that it's going to take a lot of time. Just pretty simple, putting in the details, and now you're looking at a ladybug. Let me know what you think and how I could have done it differently. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Feel free to go through the rest of my channel and look at my artwork.